are you all? All happy? Very good. Now, we are going to introduce you, Bali and Billy. Let's listen to a happy song.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then you really ought to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet.
What's the name of your school? What's the name of your school? How many of you love your school? Raise your hands if you like your school. Wave your hands if you like your school. Wave your hands.
പട്ടത്തിന്റെ ഒരു പാട്ട് പഠിച്ചാലോ? ഓക്കെ. കുന്നിൽ കേറിയ പട്ടം, മാനം മുട്ടിയ പട്ടം, അമ്പിളി മാമനെ തൊട്ടു വരുന്നേ, അമ്പഴകേവൻ പട്ടം. Then third, green. We always eat green food.
And green